In December, we started seedlings in the basement, and this is what they looked like at about the end of January. In February, I moved them out to the heated greenhouse in the grow chamber. I have other videos on the site about this grow chamber, but basically it's a 4x8 area with plastic around it and lights on it, so I only have to heat that area and not the entire greenhouse. In March, with snow still in the ground, we moved them out into the unheated greenhouse. We had well over 100 lettuce plants planted at that time. In April, you can see everything's really taken off. I had some problems with the soil, and I had to do some tests and raise the nitrogen level. But once we got that done, things really started taking off. We even put in some warmer weather plants in that time. In May, things really kept on growing, and we even got to start eating some of that lettuce that we planted earlier. It's really something to have over 200 lettuce plants, or even more, growing at the same time. And we have some visitors come take a look at the plants once in a while. But everybody asks, do you really eat that much lettuce? Can you eat that much lettuce? Well, we do at times share with our family members, and here's pictures of them family members getting their share of lettuce. So June's a time for harvesting and growing out more plants. So we replace some of the lettuce with different plants of lettuce, and we continue to harvest what we started earlier, and we continue to share. July and then August is when Sandy really gets into the swing of things and starts canning different produce and making different sauces and starts to freeze different onions and peppers and pickles. We love pickles, makes lots of pickles, had lots of peppers this year. So July and August is really a fun time for her. September was no different. She kept canning different items, kept harvesting different things. There you see mashed potatoes being froze. Plus we started more lettuce in the greenhouse. Middle of October, I decided to put the plastic back on the front of the greenhouse. Of course, then it got 70-some degrees the next 3 days. But I want to see how long we can get this lettuce to grow. It is a cold weather crop, so it should grow for some time, probably into December, January around here. So that's how we made out in 2023 so far. We're not done yet. We hope to be able to get to the point where we're actually eating produce all year long and not just starting it out in December. We want to be able to eat it in December. I have a walk-in cooler project that you've probably seen on the site that needs completed. But once that's done, we're going to get into this real seriously and see if we can grow all year long.